And speaking of downstairs, we got a sectional here. And this sectional has electric powered seats. I think that one's electric, and these two are. That's just how we decided to do it. But right now, there's no power to it. So what do we have to do? We'd have to, the power cord is underneath here. I'd have to pull it out, run it across here, and it barely fits over to there. And then we have to walk over that, and that would just power this one. Or my other thought was, initially, when we got this rug, I wasn't sure if we were going to put this rug here. We ended up deciding to leave it here, but this rug, I thought, well, we could put the rug over here, let's say, and then I can run an extension cord from underneath this sectional unit, and then run an extension cord over, and boom, plug it into the wall over there. What other choice do I have? Well, glad you asked that. This floor, there's a crawl area underneath the floor. This is a wood floor. TJI floor joists are going through here, holding up this floor. And there's an area underneath the house that I can walk under and get under there and come over here. Now, what could I do with that? What does that mean? Well, I'd have to lift up one of these. I'd have to lift this up and kind of look down there to see where I want to put an electrical outlet. And I could cut a hole through the carpet, through the floor, put a electrical outlet there. And then I would have to get power from underneath the house. Now, I looked under the house and I couldn't find any. And so I would have to take an electrical outlet here on the wall somewhere. Let's say an interior wall like this here. Take that out, take the box out, take my flexi bit, a long flexible bit that I hook onto my drill, run it through the hole, because if I take this whole thing out of the wall, take the box out, move the wires out of the way, take my bit and drill it all the way down through there, then I could fish a wire from this location down there, and then staple it up underneath the TJI floor joists, come over here and put an electrical outlet there. I could put one there, I could put it in over here. It doesn't matter exactly where I put it. I only need to have one, and then all of these would get lumped together. This would daisy chain over to this one, over to this one, and I could do something like that and then go from that and plug it in. Maybe with, I might have to have a little extension cord between this chair at the end over to this chair, and put a power strip under there, and then plug the power strip into the floor, and then where the power is here, then I would put a cut-in box here, single gang cut-in box, and then re-hook up this electrical outlet, adding that other wire, hooking up that other wire to that box, and I could do that. Now, I haven't done that yet. We've been in here for a while now, and we come down here to watch TV with friends and stuff. None of our things are powered yet. And here's the little remote controls, but none of them work. And then these things light up too. There's little lights in here that light up. That's kind of cool. And then this pulls up, and I think there's an area there that you can plug in your phone and stuff like that. But I have to make sure that if this stays in the same location, obviously, then I can put the electrical outlet, because if we ever move this, then I've got an electrical outlet right in the middle of the floor, right where the carpet is, that kind of stuff. So, I mean, is it possible to do something like that? Yes. And if I end up doing that, of course, I will show you